In this video we will talk about removing an old metal ceramic crown and replacing it with an all ceramic crown. First we will be using a diamond burr from Microcopy, the neo-spiral burr, that is unique since it has a channel in it. The channel doesn't have any diamonds in it, which enables the debris to flow faster and more smoothly out of the treatment area. This design helps to prevent clogging and provides a highly efficient cut. The neo-spiral burr has extra coarse diamonds which give it a lot of cutting power. As you can see, the burr quickly and easily cuts through the porcelain and through the metal of the old crown to the dental tissue. Another feature that helps reduce clogging is the fact that the burr is plated with 24-karat gold. One of the characteristics of gold is that tooth residue sticks less to it than stainless steel. Also, with the gold, the burr is more visible since the light reflects better off of it in the mouth. In this part of the video you can see the preparation of a natural tooth again with the diamond neo-spiral burr from Microcopy. Here you can see how efficiently the burr cuts. The enamel is the hardest tissue in the human's body, so it is really hard and difficult to cut, but as you can see with the neo diamond the cutting time is significantly reduced. Preparing teeth for crowns typically involves removing substantial quantities of enamel and dentin, and as a consequence it is not a conservative technique. The aim of the preparation, in addition to creating space to accommodate the intended crown, is to prepare a shape appropriate to retain and support the crown. Adequate reduction is one of the most critical aspects of tooth preparation. Inadequate reduction can result in unaesthetic or over-contoured crowns that have periodontal and occlusal consequences. In this part of the video you will also see that tooth preparation involves several distinct steps, like creating the guiding grooves for incisal or occlusal reduction, reducing the labial or buccal surfaces, axial reduction of the lingual and proximal surfaces. Why diamond burrs and not carbide burrs? Because carbide burrs leave a smooth surface while diamond burrs leave a rough surface. Diamond burrs are used on crown preparations because we want to have that rough surface. This surface creates the right interface so the cement can have something to hold on to. A dental drill is used for crown preparation. Although it sounds painful, the dentist does ensure that proper numbing has been done to eliminate any discomfort. In one sentence, we can say that tooth preparation is defined as the biomechanical treatment of the carious lesion and other lesions on tooth hard tissues, in a way that the remaining tooth structure can receive a restoration that protects it, is resistant to the occlusal stress, and prevents the disease reoccurrence. Next in our video we filmed for you every form of the diamond burrs that we ordered that we use in this procedure. You can see that they come pre-sterilized, so this is very time-saving and also prevents cross-contamination. In conclusion, all you need for a good preparation is a high-quality diamond burr like the ones from Microcopy.